Tokyo Auto Salon, made it inside. We navigated safely through the train station. First time ever. It was, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult loading up the Pasmo card onto my iPhone, but I got it on, and thank goodness to my friend's son, Tori, and we're checking things out. It is so cool. Different vibe than SEMA. I don't know if it's better or worse or not, but it's definitely more of the stuff I think I'm into. I already had a cool meeting with the guys at Darwin Pro with their amazing kit on their Huracan, and now we're just walking around, and I think we're gonna meet up with the guys at Liberty Walk a little bit later today too. Let's take a walk and just kind of look around and see what's here. The Darwin Pro kit on the Huracan. Really cool. It's actually meant for the coupe, but they had it on the Spider here. Look at that wing, super aggressive. These are the same guys that made the body kit for my M2. Has the wing, wider fenders, side skirts, and some louvers. Really cool. And we got some awesome customized brakes here. New carbon ceramic series. Talk to them. I might be putting these on my RWB. Fully customizable. And very, like, it's a PCCB, Porsche carbon ceramic brake quality. So pretty awesome. They can do like 8 pistons. Would that be sick if I had 8 piston calipers on my RWB? I think so. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, John, Pikachu P-Car, and I wanted to tell you guys about something that's really exciting. I'm launching my own website called PikachuPcar.us. And the reason why I'm launching this site is basically to connect with all of you a little bit better. On the site, I'm going to be having links to my latest vlogs, and also I'll be announcing future vlogs I have coming down the road. You'll see that I'll be doing more of these feature vlogs, kind of like the one I just did with Adam and his amazing drift car chaser. Such a beautiful build. And I want to be with some of you out there to check out your build, and so we can show all the cool stuff that's going on there. In addition, I'll be doing some write-ups about different topics that's affecting the car community in general, hopefully eliciting thoughts from all of you as well. On the site also, there'll be a section that will talk about different events we're having at Fujiwara Tofu Bistro, our restaurant, our initial D-themed restaurant here in the Bay Area. And also even other events that we're probably gonna be attending or that we're a part of. But also really exciting, super exciting for me is I'm gonna be launching my own merch line. Yes, I finally decided to do it. I've been asked hundreds of times to put these amazing images that these talented videographers and photographers have taken on my builds, you know, throughout the years, and put them on things like t-shirts, hoodies, maybe mugs, you know, merch like that. So they'll be available there. I think this weekend, actually, you'll see it, but stay tuned on my website. Again, it's PikachuPcar.us. And again, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and let me not waste any more time and take you right back there. You saw in my last video, he was partying with Kato in Vegas. He can still dance really well. Cool shirts, I'm gonna have to get one. Cleaning the lights, nice. Keeping the booth really clean. It's a family business. It's awesome to see the whole family being involved. At the Apex booth, or Apexi, I still have some of their ECUs in some of my cars. walking around in Tokyo Auto Salon with my friend John Sabal here. What's up?
Hello, hello.
You guys know John has the best designs ever, and even my RWB, it takes after it's similar to yours.
Yes, I'm very familiar with your car.
Do you know my car actually has your name as a sticker on there for like probably 20 years?
Yeah, for a while, for a long time.
Yep.
Back when I was in Japan.
Yep. His last name is Ono, I think.
Ono-san.
Yeah, Ono-san. Or Nakai told me his name is Onopi. John, you've been to many of these shows. This is actually my first one here at Tokyo Auto Salon.
It's also my first time.
This is your first time?
My first time. First time for everything.
What do you think of it so far?
I can't even. It's just surreal.
It's exactly the stuff I like though.
Yeah.
You too, right?
No, it's everything
Concentrated to the stuff we like.
That's amazing.
Yes,
really amazing.
I feel the same way. Yeah, the Vel side stuff.
They have
The R35 kit.
that is whole collection. Yeah. We have to be.
Dude, this looks so sick.
I think Nissan uses factory.
Sheesh. Another RWB, bro. Hop the fence. See what's behind me? That is the Varus booth. These are the guys that did the Varus kit the kit for my Supra that was in SEMA this past year at the Toyo booth. So I'm gonna go say hi to them, check out some of their cars. Very sick. Everyone's got a lot of stuff for the Z. It's really nice. Ooh, this is a Type R one. Sick. That's why you can hear me say that a lot in this vlog because things are just so sick. So this is the one that's like Johnny Grunwald's at Toyo this year. Amazing. I think he had the same wheels too. Actually, those are the same wheels that's on my Supra. Meet the owner of Mamma Mia? Oh yes, the main guy with the TBK crew, Midnight Club. Midnight Club. The usual suspects. You guys know these are the OG street racers going like 300 kilometers per hour on the streets of Japan. They're the crazy OG guys. And now they're all kind of like, some of them are not doing it anymore, some of them are still doing it. Some of them own like different aftermarket businesses. For example, we just met the owner of Group M, which I think you guys have seen. They have really cool exhaust for Porsche, so he's in the Porsche industry. But really cool show, yeah. Definitely meeting a lot of people that grew up like admiring. So it's been really cool so far. These are the Midnight Club cars. Pretty sick FD. And there's the owner right there. It's like a Viper. Sick. R7s. Or if these, whoa, look at that in there. Sheesh. Dang. Oh, that's a Miata. Nice. Super race car, dude. A shifter. Fuel cell. I'm at Top Secret. I know all you JDM fans know Top Secret. And we're gonna try to see if we can meet up with Smokey Nagata. Top Secret. A lot of R35s. Pretty sick. They really do a lot of the OZ racing for the Top Secret. There's probably a collab or something. And there he is, Mr. Smokey Nagata. Thank you. Nismo, yeah, wow, this is an awesome booth. GTR, baby, yeah. For Japan, it's still all about the GTR, baby. Yes. Still love this car. Like I said, I've owned mine since 2015 and still one of the best cars ever. Crazy stuff here. That is slammed beyond slam. Sheesh. It's not one finger, it's like one arm tuck, one arm tuck. Super sick. Look at the carbon on this. Entire car. And there's carbon fiber, carbon fiber.
No touch. Carbon fiber.
Mr. Carbon Fiber. For Active Garage. Can you believe this is actually this crowded when it's not even open to the public yet right now? That opens actually at 3 today, I think. Oh, this is the Liberty Walk booth. Homies. Unveiling of the Countach.
No, I got it. I mean, as long as you guys get it.
So it's the Toyo crew now. Toshi. Komura.
ですよね。さあ行きましょうか。さあ、やっぱり音楽といえば長渕剛ね。そうよね。音楽というところを見せましょう。日本ですよ。最後のさあこれが今をグランプロデューサーロンボルギー。
Countach unveiling. Sick, huh? Sorry, got a reveal of the reveal. We have another unveiling. I don't even know what this one is.
見ていただきましょう。Hey, 前ね。お願いします。これからもよろしくお願いします。今日は皆さんありがとうございました。
I know who this is. Here's a famous X40 delivery walk. First time I've seen it in person.
よろしくお願いします。
He knows that just wrapped it.
さあいかがでしょうか皆さんね。さあどんどんシャッターをして写真を撮ってくださいよ。さあ
We got the ultimate coolest R34 there is around. Mine's R34 GTR.
そのなんですか、自分が一人で走ってる時の余裕感と、真後ろに例えば戦ってる相手がいる時の感じも違うんで、まあちょっとそれはケースバイケースかなと思うんですけど。
See, even Johnson Hall's kicking out over it.
300とかもう目に入らねえよみたいな。前が500とバトルしてたの。
なるんですね。それは去年のお二人のところ特にすごい分かりやすくて。
吉田さん苦労してここまで。
本当に？ああすごい。
全然ごましてる。
Oh, the. Jeez, that is sick. That was crazy. Liberty Walk debut was amazing. I'd say I liked it a lot more than SEMA. I have to be honest, way better. Your trip to Japan is not complete unless you go to underground car meet, which is where we're at right now. Right after the first day, yeah, it's all over in a parking structure, and there's some really cool cars here. Let me go around and show you guys a little bit what's going on. You can already see this cool build here. It looks like it's a Z body kit. Really awesome. Cool. There's another sick Z one. I don't know what kit this is. I don't even know. That wing almost looks like a Velside wing. Cars here, some RWB homies. Ooh, Civic Type R. Nice. Dark Star. RWB. Nissan GTR Crew R34s. I'm gonna go see mine on Monday. That's dope. Another RWB. And another RWB, bro. 997. It's cool, cool. As you guys know from my vlog in Hawaii, that I do love the Evo 5. I'm looking at a few right now. I lost out on that one auction with the Evo 5. It's stupid bring a trailer didn't take my bid. That's cool though. Yeah. Sounds so good. Boxer Spider. I had one, a 981. This one, I think it is a 718. Yeah, so this has the 4-liter displacement. I had the 3.8. I don't know, I still prefer my 981. I think the engine's more like lively, more peppy, and the exhaust notes are more aggressive. This is like a kind of a stroked out motor. And of course, RS. Same year as mine from before. This is probably a 2019. 991.2. Speaking of 981s, East Lost, baby. So this other part of the meet is upstairs here in the top. What's up? These are a couple of the sick cars here. I'm not kind of felt like it should be more Fast and Furious feeling in Tokyo. I don't hear enough music maybe.